So I followed these tracks, and the tracks lead me to here. What's down there? I don't know what's down there. But this is the track. It's all kind of life down here. I want to say that was a mountain lion's den. This is the track I followed. And it led me to that hole. I recently just found some